Another highlight from WEH's innovative range of products is the WEH TW800. The TW800 simplifies work procedures, shortens test times, and improves productivity. Therefore, the connector is ideal for function and pressure testing of components with a bead, rim, collar, flange, stub, or external thread at low pressure ranges. For automotive applications, the WEH TW800 is used for testing fuel lines, radiators, ACR components, and other sub-assemblies for the automotive industry. The TW800 is also used for function testing compressors, heat exchangers, measuring devices, hoses, tubes, and tanks.